Can Google's next foldable phone actually surprise us this time? That's the question many are asking as new leaks give us a first glimpse at what might be the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. But don't expect a big design overhaul because from what we're seeing, this new version looks very similar to last year's model. Still, that might not be a bad thing. The leaked renders show a device that's almost a mirror image of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The shape, the size, even the rear camera bar, it all feels familiar. And while some might see that as a letdown, it could actually mean Google is choosing to focus on more important changes beneath the surface. One detail that stands out is the SIM card slot. This time, it has been moved to the top edge of the phone, which lines up with other changes spotted in the rest of the Pixel 10 lineup. There are also two new cutouts on the left side. We don't know exactly what they're for yet, but they could be for antennas or just small design changes to balance the look. Until we see real-life images or hands-on video, we'll have to wait and see. To understand what this new model might bring, let's rewind a bit. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold came out in August 2024 and was praised as one of Google's best foldables. It featured a 6.3-inch outer display and a big 8-inch OLED inner screen, making it perfect for multitasking, streaming, or even reading. Inside, it ran on the Tensor G4 chip with 16 gigabytes of RAM, which handled apps and light video editing with ease. Its camera setup include a 48 megapixel wide sensor, a 10.5 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10.8 megapixel telephoto lens that supported 5x optical zoom. With results like that, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold doesn't need a total redesign. It just needs to build on what already worked well. Even if Google keeps most of the hardware the same, we could still see improvements in image processing, night mode, and AI-driven camera features. Performance and battery life are other areas where Google might bring real improvements. The new model is expected to come with a refined version of the Tensor chip and possibly better thermal management. That means faster response times, smoother transitions, and fewer slowdowns during heavy use. Battery life could also see a boost, helping the phone last longer on a single charge without adding bulk. One of the more interesting rumors is about the price. Some leaks suggest that the Pixel 10 Pro Fold might actually be cheaper than its predecessor. If true, this could be a major move for Google. Pricing has always been a challenge in the foldable market, and offering a powerful foldable for less could really help Google compete with Samsung, OnePlus, and others in this space. Now, not everyone will be happy about the design staying the same. Some people want a phone that looks totally new each year, but there's also value in keeping a look that already works, especially if the build quality is solid and the features improve where it really matters. A better processor, smarter software, and longer battery life can make a phone feel brand new even if it looks familiar. In the end, it looks like Google is playing it smart with the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Rather than chasing a brand new look, they might be choosing to refine what's already good. If they manage to improve performance, boost battery life, and still bring the price down, this foldable could end up being a strong contender in 2025. What's your take on this? Do you think Google made the right move focusing on performance instead of design? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this update, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more leaks, reviews, and everything tech. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.